Happened to stop by this amazing cat cafe today, and we're surrounded by the cutest cats ever. It's like walking into a little paradise. The place has this cozy, happy feel that just pulls you in. All around us, these cats are doing their thing. There's the ones waiting for treats. They're sitting there, eyes locked on us, tails flicking like, "Hey, got something for me?" We toss out some treats, and they perk up, snagging them fast or munching away all calm. It's awesome seeing how happy it makes them. And then you've got the sleepy ones, curled up on chairs, stretched out in sunny spots, purring so quiet it's almost a whisper. They bring this peaceful vibe that's just perfect. We're sitting here, soaking it all in. The playing, the treat time, the napping. It's this great mix of lively and chill. The atmosphere is so good, fun, relaxed, and full of little moments that keep us smiling. Then there's this one cat, zooming inside a cat wheel, running like it's training for a marathon. So fun to see it exercise, just going for it with those little paws. We're over here cheering it on, totally hooked. Hope you enjoyed this little cat cafe adventure. Enjoy some perfect time with your furry buddies.